Happy holidays! It's Fly Ty and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV. It's that time of year again where we get to celebrate our favorite holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Kwanzaa, and Hanukkah.
And all of these holidays make me think of food. Some of our favorite foods like macaroni and cheese, sweet potato pie, candy yams, collard greens.
Oh, you're making me hungry right now, Jacinda. Let me ask you, what are some of your favorite family traditions during this time of year?
I always have to tap into my Dominican roots for this one. My father's rice and beans with a side of plantains and some avocado. You know, the holidays aren't the holidays without it.
Oh, mine is all of our family. We come together, and this is the only time of year that we get to eat my mom's turkey necks and chitlins.
Oh my goodness, all of this talk about food is making me hungry. And the best news is that no matter what tradition you celebrate, you can find all of the recipes and all of the ingredients right here at Compare Foods, one of our 6 Charlotte area locations.
Happy holidays from our family to yours. And don't forget to like and share this video on all of your social media platforms at Compare Foods Charlotte.